Ever found yourself scrolling through travel groups, eyes wide at the stunning photos, but then the dreaded thought creeps in, how am I going to handle the money? You're not alone. For many globetrotters, the question of managing finances abroad is a constant hum in the background of their planning. And in this digital age, a name that often pops up in those conversations is YouTrip. It promises seamless spending in multiple currencies, attractive exchange rates, and the convenience of a single card. It sounds almost too good to be true, right? Which naturally leads us to the big question, is YouTrip actually a bank? Before we dive into that, let's understand why this question even arises. Traditional banking often comes with its fair share of headaches when you venture outside your home country. Think hefty transaction fees, unfavorable exchange rates that seem to fluctuate wildly, and the hassle of dealing with multiple currencies. Services like YouTrip have emerged as a response to these pain points, offering a more streamlined and often more cost-effective way to manage your money internationally. YouTrip, with its vibrant purple card, has gained popularity, particularly among travelers in Southeast Asia and beyond. It allows users to load funds in their local currency and then spend in over 150 currencies worldwide, often with better exchange rates than traditional banks. The accompanying mobile app provides a clear overview of your spending, currency conversions, and top-ups. This functionality blurs the lines, making it easy to see why someone might wonder if it operates as a bank. However, the crucial distinction lies in YouTrip's licensing and the fundamental nature of its operations. YouTrip is not a bank, rather, it's a multi-currency e-wallet platform. It operates under licenses granted by financial regulatory bodies in the regions it serves, focusing primarily on facilitating cross-border payments and currency exchange. Here's a way to think about it. Traditional banks are institutions that are licensed to accept deposits, lend money, and offer a wide range of financial services. They are subject to stringent regulations designed to protect depositors' funds and ensure the stability of the financial system. YouTrip, on the other hand, functions more like a digital wallet or a prepaid card service. You load funds onto your YouTrip account, and then you can spend those funds. While they do hold your money, they don't engage in the activities that define a traditional bank, such as lending out your deposits to other customers or offering complex financial products like loans or mortgages. The regulatory framework also differs. Banks are typically subject to more comprehensive and stringent banking regulations, including capital adequacy requirements and deposit insurance schemes. E-wallet platforms like YouTrip operate under different sets of regulations that govern payment services and electronic money. So, while YouTrip offers many of the conveniences we associate with modern financial management, holding funds, making payments, and tracking transactions, its underlying structure and regulatory oversight are distinct from that of a traditional bank. It's a powerful tool for international spending, offering a convenient and often cost-effective alternative to traditional banking for travelers. Think of it as a specialized digital companion for your global adventures, focusing on making your money work seamlessly across borders. It simplifies the complexities of international finance, putting you in control of your spending without the traditional banking baggage. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.